Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to preview images in your Windows 11. So guys, once you open any folder, so you are not able to see image, only you are looking this icon. So to see image, similarly as we can see here, it's only icon, not thumbnail or image. So click on this three dot and options. Now here click on view. And here the option first one, always show icons, never thumbnails. So uncheck this box, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now you are able to see the images and you will see the thumbnails for every folder. It can be in download folder or desktop. Now you are able to see thumbnail for images. So thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not. And by the simple steps we can know how to show thumbnail in Windows 11.